This stunning Northwest contemporary residence by Norman Building and Design, ideally situated within Ben's gated North Rim community. Let's go in and take a look. Walls of glass frame Mount Jefferson, while capturing panoramic vistas stretching to Smith Rock and Powell Butte, filling the home with natural light throughout the day. Thoughtfully designed with vaulted ceilings and an open flow, the great room centers around a custom stone fireplace and connects effortlessly to both covered and uncovered outdoor living spaces, ideal for taking in sunsets in Central Oregon's high desert setting. The kitchen is designed as a natural gathering space, featuring custom cabinetry, premium appliances, and a generous island, opening to the dining and expansive decking. The layout offers excellent separation, with a serene primary suite set apart from the guest accommodations, along with flexible spaces for a den or office. Set on a nicely landscaped and treed 1-acre lot, the property offers a sense of privacy and